Hey, what is up guys? My name is Justin. Thank you so much for coming to this video. Well, today we're going to be talking about 5 ways that you can get your side hustle on, put some money in your pocket today. And I'm just going to give you a few things that I've thought of that might be able to help you. So let's hop into the first one. I'm going to be talking about Uber and Lyft. Yeah, you might have done this before, you might have thought about it. Well, today's the day to start. Uber and Lyft can be pretty lucrative if you start off right and you really focus. Some drivers make 20, 25, and some people have even reported that even $30 an hour and more, depending on the area and the times that they drive. And so if you really want to focus and learn about how to be an Uber driver, I'm going to make a video later on about that. And so subscribe below if you're interested in this type of content, and let me know by pressing the like button. But really, there's a few ways that Uber drivers can make money. You can make money obviously by just picking up riders, and those people you get paid for the time and the miles that you drive. Uber has different rates depending on your area and location, so you can look those up. And also you can get paid by tips, and so if you drive really well, you're friendly, bring good conversation, you get those 5-star reviews, and you can get tips at the end of your ride, and so those can add up. And another way is there's other things that you can do in your car. You can it's called cargo, and it's like chips and snacks and gum and water, and people can pay for those things, and you get a portion of it, and it's really good. So that's another way that you can level up your Uber and Lyft income. So that's number one. Drive for Uber and Lyft. For my next tip, we're talking about hire car. Yeah, you guys know that I rent my car out on hire car. It's been really great. I listed it and immediately I started getting it rented out. I make at least $1,000 a month on hire car. When I first started renting it out, I just had a spare car, one that I never really drove. And then, you know what? I started making so much money off that I took that money and I bought another car. And now I have both cars renting, and I plan to get a third one. And it's really exciting. It's the closest, really, I feel like you can get to passive income. I work about 4 hours a month working on renting my cars out on hire car. It's really a great opportunity, and I really enjoy it for myself and for our family. All you need is a spare car. And if you want to know more really in depth about hire car, I'm gonna leave a link right up here. And I just did a video recently about what I think and what you need to do to get into hire car. But your car needs to have a few things. It needs to be like 10 years or newer, 4 doors, needs to pass Uber and Lyft inspection before you can list it, and a few other little things that you might need to know. But really, I'll just leave like those fine details in the description. But hey, consider renting your car out on hire car and make at least $30 a day. So for my next tip, I'm talking about Airbnb. You can rent out your spare bedroom, your whole house, offer up whatever you got, put a tent in the backyard and list it. I'm just kidding, but whatever you got, you can list it on Airbnb. And this is a great way to make side income without really doing a ton of work. There is things that you need to do, like preparing the place, cleaning it, spending time after they leave. But really, if you want a side income during the month, you can use Airbnb to list a spare bedroom if you've got it. There's creative ways where you could even get like a camper or rent an RV in your backyard. All kinds of different ways and creative ways that you can earn some side income off Airbnb. Our goal is to make $1,000 a month off Airbnb. Sometimes we fall short. We get about 800, 900 some months. This month we did well beyond that. It just depends on the season. But Airbnb is a really great side income that you could just list your spare bedroom, have some people come. It's really cool that you don't have to have like a roommate, but just meet new people, have them come in, stay in your room, and then they go. And it's really a cool opportunity. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to sign up as a host to rent your place. Well, the next tip I have for you guys is selling things around the house. You can have a garage sale. You can list it off on OfferUp and Let Go. You can put it on Craigslist. You can take it to a pawn shop. Whatever you have around your house, well, it's time to go spring cleaning and get rid of those things that you never do. It's kind of like a win-win situation. You get to get rid of all those things that you never use, but also you get to make some money off it. So I would consider like having a preliminary round where you list a bunch of things that you think would sell on OfferUp, Let Go, eBay, Craigslist. Put them online and wait a little bit and see if you get some traction, sell them for a higher price, and then, you know what, have a blowout one weekend and just sell all the stuff to clear it out. You know, we've made actually a little bit of stuff from just stuff that's in our garage. Me and my wife, I mean, we've sold like 3 things on OfferUp this week and made like $100, and it was just stuff we were gonna throw away because we don't want it. So consider looking around your house, selling some things that you don't need, and let them go on OfferUp. Hey, for my last tip, let's sign up for Rover. Yeah, you can walk dogs, sit them, let them board. You can board dogs. We have a mini pig. His name is Charlie, and he is on Rover. I know that's for dogs, but we have someone who works for Rover or uses Rover and sits Charlie. And she comes over oftentimes when we rent our house out on Airbnb. We use Charlie as like a cool way for people to stay. There's a mini pig in the backyard. It's really cool. So we pay $15 for a half-hour visit twice a day. So you can make $30 a day at least. But imagine if you had 4 or 5 people, you can make at least $100 a day if you really built up your clientele. The person that we use, she actually has built it up to where she has like almost a full-time pet sitting business or a pet care, and it's really cool. It's a cool way and a creative way to make extra side money doing something that might not take a lot of skill, but you know what, if you love animals, you like taking care of them, you love to see them, they give you joy, well, think about signing up for Rover. And so that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna leave right here, I'm gonna leave a few videos that you might be interested in. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, consider subscribing below if you like this kind of content. Also, let me know if you have any ideas of videos that you would like to see me do. Going on and actually doing these side hustles, I'm down to do them if you guys want to see them. But awesome, thank you so much. Bye.